Alright, in this video we're going to learn how to link our HTML videos. So the way we link our HTML videos is again using the source attribute, same as the images. But the only difference is that the HTML videos have like different attributes like autoplay, loop. So autoplay, it means that as soon as the browser opens, the HTML video starts playing. And looping basically means looping through the video endlessly. And muted is when you want to loop your images, you have to also add the muted attribute and set it to true. And the reason is if you don't set that to true, the video doesn't get looped. Another attribute that you have to pay attention to when it comes to videos is plays in line, because by adding this attribute you allow your videos to be played in Safari as well, to be looped in Safari browser. And then you can also add the controls attribute. This would give your videos controls. We will see these in action. So I've already opened the HTML video folder. You guys go ahead and download it. So I'm gonna open the index.html and we can see that there's an interaction video here. So this is a prototype that I did before. So in order to link my video on your videos, you can press H1 and then press tab, and then I'm just gonna give it a title called interaction video. Press save. So we're seeing our title here. So we just write video and press tab. So it asks us for the source. And by the way, video tags are not self-closing tag like images, so you have to add a closing video tag as well. So what is our source and where is it? So the video is in the root folder, so we don't need to go back, and the name is interaction. When I write it, Visual Studio Code notice it, so interaction.notification.mp4. So let's press save. As soon as I press save, the video gets linked, but the thing is the video doesn't play when I click on it even, so it doesn't work. So that's why we have to add the attributes. So let's add the attributes right now. The first one is controls. So if we add controls and press save, now we have the controls here. So everything starts working, but the video doesn't get looped and all that. The control panel, when you can open it and play it from here by only adding one attribute. So this is how you can add the control attribute here. The other attribute that we need to write is autoplay, and then set that equal to true. So when we write autoplay true, it gets autoplayed. And the other thing is it doesn't get looped, so it just only plays once. So we know how to loop the video, so let's write loop and set that to true, and you see that the video gets played and it gets looped. So this is how you can add it. And the mute attribute, you have to also add it with loop. Sometimes it doesn't work with other browsers, so we add the muted attribute as well, and then set that to true. And the other attribute plays in line. This is for Safari. You don't see the effect here. So if you see that your videos are not working properly in Safari, just add this attribute and hopefully it works. So basically we learn a lot of attributes here when it comes to video. So we use the source to link our attributes. We use these attributes to control the state, whether we want to mute it or add the controls button here, or loop through the video and make it autoplay when the browser refreshes. And hopefully you learn how to add your interaction prototypes video to your websites and your portfolios.